With the state of our planet's climate and fuel prices spiraling upwards, it's crucial to make electric vehicles more competitive against gasoline and diesel options. Range is still a key issue for battery vehicles, with long charge times and sparse recharging stations complicating the matter. With bigger batteries out of the question, lighter vehicles are the solution. The ALMA project is a multidisciplinary group of 9 partners from across Europe, all united under the same objective: to make electric cars more lightweight, efficient, and sustainable through an eco-design approach that uses new advanced materials. The project will improve the sustainability of vehicles by addressing each of the circular strategies. Performance on the road will be improved through innovative lightweight materials, thereby enhancing range and reducing energy consumption. Lifespan of the vehicles will be increased through health monitoring with sensors that detect damage and parts in need of maintenance before a critical failure. End-of-life scenarios will be optimized by ensuring recyclability of materials and debondable adhesives that can be activated to allow easy disassembly. The consortium has already achieved a 23% weight reduction compared to the baseline, reducing total weight by 200 kilos. This saves 240 kilowatt-hours of energy and €84 due to lower consumption on a yearly basis. The vehicle's range is expected to increase up to 6%. To help achieve these results, the ALMA project has developed BevSim, a life cycle analysis tool for battery electric vehicles. Many ideas and materials can be tested much faster in simulations, saving a lot of time and money. ALMA, revolutionizing the automotive and transportation sectors through eco-design principles.